Hey everybody, it's Charlie and Chris with Daily Motor, and today we have a fun one because we are going to create 2 Facebook listings for my 2008 Ford Escape Hybrid. For a quick background on why we're doing this and then the car afterward, Chris and I are often enthusiasts of sharing Facebook Marketplace listings, and because we're on Facebook Marketplace a lot and Craigslist, although do you even use Craigslist anymore?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, I'll go on there occasionally. There's a wide spectrum of advertisements that you'll find. Everything from very well explained, properly filled out, mileage, details about the car, to the individuals holding up fingers over license plates with cigarettes in their hands, and then proceeding to the next photo where you can clearly see the license plate.
Yeah.
Right.
Title, yes.
Title, yes. Needs something. Or one of them that we saw recently, great bike, as the title of the listing, with no indication of what bike it actually was or mileage or anything. So that encouraged us to explore the idea of, do you need to put effort into your Facebook Marketplace listing in order to sell a vehicle?
Mm-hmm. It's really sort of a social experiment as well.
It really is. We're scientists.
We are.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So
DM Science.
DM Science. It'll have to be a new channel. What we're going to do is we're going to take my pristine 2-owner Ford Escape Hybrid, and we're going to each create listings on Facebook Marketplace. That can be the thumbnail right there. Listings for this car, and Chris is going to build out a proper listing as though you were listing something like your M Roadster, for example, or
that I actually
something
own,
that you own and care about and cherish. And I am going to create the degenerate listing, we're calling it, where minimum words, minimum punctuation, capital letters.
Very close vertical pictures.
Yes, yeah, close vertical picture. I think I might actually screenshot a picture and use that as the picture. That's a very good way to do it.
A lot of people. Why do people do that?
Like, it's like a snap. I mean, that's what I'll do. I'll take a Snapchat of this car and then put a thing on the Snapchat, and then I'll screenshot that.
No,
and
but
I'll list
people
it.
have pictures in their camera roll. They
That they
screenshot
screenshot.
pictures of their camera roll while it has the rest of the camera roll screen.
I really
Why
couldn't.
can't you just? I don't get it.
And what we really want to answer is one of those listings better for selling a car than the other? To let you know about the car, this is a car that I purchased out of auction. It was a 1-owner car when I purchased it, and it had 329,000 miles on it. It was owned locally, right down the street from us here, and it had a little bit of a run-in with a deer at high speed. So it needed a hood. It actually didn't need a bumper. This is the stock bumper. Although this, I don't know if it's gotten worse or if it's just because I haven't seen it in the direct sun like that. I didn't remember all that cracking.
It's always been like spiderweb like that.
It's always been spiderweb? Okay.
Yeah.
And I fixed it on a budget. There's definitely some zip ties holding things here and there, but what's remarkable is how well this thing actually drives and runs. There are no check engine lights. After we replaced a radiator and an intake manifold done by our buddy Keone at Cap's Garage, this thing drives really, really well. It's got new Continental tires on it. It's apparently had all of its dealer recommended maintenance done to it. Most of the panels are in pretty good shape. There's a little bit of rust going on in the back, some rust down there, which arguably I think if we really did want to sell this for top dollar, we should spray paint that, but a little too late at this point. And obviously a little bit of a collision with something or other right here that has caused some extensive rusting. But look at this interior. I mean, really not too bad. You got your little scuffs and marks. But again, for a 330,000 mile car, we have seen much, much worse. That is for sure. And I really didn't have to do too much other than that front thing. And then I also swapped out the hatch latch mechanism for this hatch here for the glass. That works properly. The backup sensors are not working, and the air conditioning's not working at this point, but it worked when we got it, so I think it just needs to be recharged. Other than that, the hybrid battery works great, the engine works great. This is a car that could truly provide someone with reliable transportation for a good amount of time. So don't think that we're just trying to scam someone into a car. I mean, we've both bought and sold worse, I'm sure. I mean, Peggy's a great example.
This is a pretty nice car. I mean, I take credit for finding it.
You're right. Chris found it. In fact, it was on one of our Daily Motor podcasts.
Yeah, that's right.
Chris showed it to us, and I put in a bid, and it became ours.
And it's a lot better than I expected it to be, and it's turned out really nice. It's proven itself. I mean, you've probably put a few hundred miles on this car, haven't you?
About 100, 150.
150
yeah.
miles,
I've been trying to use up the tank of gas because I think it'll run even better on fresh fuel.
Probably.
We don't know how old this gas is. Probably at least 6 to 8 months.
Yeah.
So I'm trying to. It had a full tank when we got it, so I'm trying to drain that through. So we are going to create our Facebook listings now, and hopefully our GoPro lasts, or else this might be quite a segmented video. Oh, I should point out one more thing. The windshield is cracked, and I'm trying to think of how we should handle that for the ad. I think maybe we should say that the windshield will be replaced, but it'll the listing, like, it'll cost like $300 more once the windshield's replaced or something like that. Yeah. So let's.
Here, I'm gonna get your first photo, Charlie.
Are you?
There you go.
That's a little too bad. That's a little too bad. But
I've seen ones like this.
Oh my gosh. You're on the right track. What about something like?
That's way too good.
Way too good?
That's way too good.
Is there a way to like can I use a filter that's like a shitty camera
to take a
filter?
blurry one, but
Oh,
I know. Touch your camera a bunch and make it greasy.
Let's grease up the lens. My sweaty fingers, there we go, smear it a bit. I feel like the iPhone's gonna do too well.
Oh, you can't even tell.
Here, I got an idea. Let's use the Snapchat camera.
Oh, yeah, you could probably
get a filter of sorts. Is that angle too good?
Yeah, that's still. See, you have to put yourself in the position of a degen. They're walking out of their house. They're walking by the car, and as they're walking by the car, they go like that.
Okay, well, let's bring up Facebook Marketplace, and
this is perfect. This is literally perfect.
Oh crap, you're right. Okay.
I'm gonna send this to you.
Yeah. Well, no, put it into Snapchat. Put a filter over, and then take a screenshot of the Snapchat with you saying saying like.
Wait, no, I got
fresh and clean or something, and then send that to me, and then I'll get. No, of course, no interior photos. Definitely not.
Wait, can it be like this, and then take a screenshot of that?
Yes. What can we put over the license plate area? Can I do like?
Yeah, do your foot.
I think my shoe's too nice.
Mine are dingy. You want to use my foot?
How about the underside of your hat? Can I like hold your hat?
Yeah, of course. Oh, that's good.
I need to show hybrid too. Okay.
Oh, that's good.
Is that pretty good?
Yeah, that's
the
good.
Lighting's a little too good for these photos, but all right. So these two, is this our listing?
Yeah, I'm gonna text this to you right now.
Okay. Chris is gonna get some proper photos of the car, and then we'll cut to actually building our listing. Maybe I'll get started on that while you're. Is this an okay of enough backdrop for you, or should we get somewhere better?
I think this is okay.
Okay. I'm just gonna screenshot you sending it to me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep screenshotting it until it degrades the quality so much that it's unusable. You have the easy job. Your listing's gonna take 3 seconds.
Exactly. Should I put vehicle type? Or should I do like no info?
I think you should just put yes.
Description. Good car needs windshield.
Am I putting the windshield in mine?
Yeah,
I
you
still
should.
have to. I don't know if I can get a good picture of the crack. Yeah, I don't think it's really going to show up.
You can just mention in your text.
Oh, I got it here.
Good car needs windshield.
Let me get a picture of the back where I'm not covering the license plate because I'm not.
No low ballers.
No low ballers, please. PLZ.
Please. Oh, that's great. God, that car looks good. Ooh, I like the stanced hybrid. I would buy this car right now from you.
Check that out.
Good hybrid badge.
Windshield.
So, yep, disclose.
On the back.
Yep, great. All right, I'm gonna say no low ballers, please. IKNO what I have.
That might be too long. I think the most degen listings are like.
Good car needs windshield.
Yeah, literally. Good car needs windshield.
Should I put in the thing of don't ask me if it's available? Because you know how people say like.
If you ask me if it's available, no, because I think
in caps, all caps. Don't ask if it's available.
No, because I think then it's going to throw off it's too self-aware and it's going to throw off our results. I think you just need to be as minimal and as quick and lazy as possible.
Good car needs windshield.
Pretty much, yeah. I think that's going to be the ticket.
Should I say OBO? Probably not.
Meh.
Is my Facebook Marketplace like credibility going to go down after this?
Maybe, yeah. You might want to do that on like a fake account. Do you have a fake account on Facebook?
No. Isn't it like hard to make a fake Facebook account?
Probably.
Whatever, I'll be fine. Adding more photos can help attract buyers.
So Facebook tells them that and they just hit skip.
I don't think they read.
Yeah, or they don't read.
I probably should have done my photos in a different background and lighting than yours, but oh well. I don't know if people are gonna see both advertisements.
Yeah. I don't know. I think it'll be okay. I think we're reading too far into it.
Okay.
So I'm gonna make my listing. It's gonna take me a minute. So
yeah, we'll go back to the garage for that.
But there is a cigarette butt on the ground that you could have used to put in your hand.
Bummer. All right, well, I'm gonna leave this like this. We're gonna head back to the garage, get these both made up. We'll show you our final listings, and part 2 of the video will be the responses that we get and if we can actually sell this car.
Yeah.
And who shows up.
We should film part 2 at like the podcast area and put our stuff on the screen.
Yeah, I'm down with that.
Yeah.